Eric here, Midwest Manufacturing, up here at the Millennial Farmer. Today we are going to be putting these John Deere C-Series shoe covers on his Stalk Stompers. 100% UHMW Poly Shoe Cover. It's going to go right over the middle, the metal Stalk Stomper here, and it's going to eliminate any soil, any residue, anything from sticking to the bottom of this metal Stalk Stomper here. Before we get started, we're going to get this head raised up. We're going to get that cylinder in the lock position, and once that's in the lock position, we're going to get after it.
Yellow side down?
Yep. The more rounded end goes to the back.
Oh, sure.
So the shoe's got more of a rounded edge to one end, and this squared off end goes onto the front side. Line up the holes, slide a bolt through there, put a nut on the back. Putting the shoe on here, put the top 4 bolts in to hold it in place temporarily, and then you have to bend it back around. Use this channel lock to hold it in place. For some reason, all these bolt holes are full of mud.
We did that just for the extra challenge.
Yeah, so great thing about our poly skid shoes covers for these John Deere C-Series Stompers. We've endured a tremendous amount of moisture in the form of rain, and because of that, the water table is going to be so high. So anytime we even get a tenth of rain, we're going to have water sitting. With this poly liner, it's going to prevent pushing and making piles in the field when you're combining corn, and mainly because the ground's going to be wet this year. The ground's going to be wet, so you're going to eliminate a lot of the pushing, a lot of piles of stock. So this is going to eliminate all that. Do you know how these snout savers work? Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And look, the snouts are not damaged. Okay, so we have the 6 center rows, the shoe covers on the C-Series Stalk Stompers. Zach's going to unfold this corn head, and we're going to do the 3 outside rows on each wing. And just a moment, we'll have all 12 rows situated with our Midwest Poly Shoe Covers.
Look at the difference between this rusty shoe compared to the nice yellow Midwest Poly.
So there you have it. This John Deere C-Series 12-row folding head is completely outfitted with our Midwest Poly shoe covers for the C-Series John Deere Stalk Stompers. For more information, go to your local Midwest dealer, check us out on the web at midwest.com, or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.